What would I do if I was fearless?
COVID and its impact on the performing arts has been devastating.
There's been no international touring of artists and very little from the eastern states.
A lot of artists had all their income disappear in front of them. It was true decimation for them.
We were meant to actually tour through Europe for 3 months and also a big national tour, but needless to say, that's gone. But we've been a bit lucky here in South Australia. We've been performing all this year in Adelaide, so that's been extraordinary.
South Australia really bucked the trend. We've had just consistent and constant work across film, television and also video games.
It required a lot of innovation and a lot of inventive thinking from the artists and the venues. What might have once been a marquee became an outdoor arena.
We sort of did the pivot. We actually created projects for online.
Because of our COVID safe advantage, we've been able to attract in productions from all around the world to come and shoot in South Australia.
We want to try and offer as many populist attractions as we can with our colleagues to get people back into the city.
It's a great time for our industry.
What would you do if you were fearless?